Really, really good.
All right, we got the randomization for match number 14, and it looks like we are all set. I think everybody's ready to go. We'll be starting match number 14 in 3, 2, 1, go! All right, looks like all the robots have gotten started for their autonomous mode. Ooh, Blue Alliance missed that foundation to bring it into the build site, but they can still park for those points. For Red Alliance, oh, looks like one of those bots was so close to getting one of those sky stones, didn't quite grab it, didn't quite make it to the park. Oh, do we only have one park or do we have two? It's hard for me to see. All right. Looks like we have a close match shaping up here. Let's see how these drivers do. Collecting those stones from the quarry, delivering them to the foundation. If they can, they also are going to try to build those skyscrapers. I've seen a couple being built here today. Oh, Blue Alliance has a little traffic jam going on under their sky bridge. Looks like the rolling bots were able to get their robot through that traffic jam. Oh, they're pushing that foundation. Don't know where they're trying to go with that foundation. Might be some interference there. There they go. Finally hooked it, bringing it back to their build site. In the meantime, we got Cyber Mafia and 32-bit continuing to deliver those stones to their foundation. Oh, we got a skyscraper being attempted. It is close. Just got to get it to fit. Nudge it. So close. Oh, no. That's okay. Looks like they're going to change strategies. Just deliver those stones to the foundation. Looks like we might have a robot dead in the water over on the Blue Alliance. We got Endgame, who knows? Oh, they're getting some help. That's what I call teamwork there. Still gonna try to pull that foundation out of the build site. Looks like Red Alliance has their foundation removed from the build site. Blue Alliance has their foundation removed from the build site. 5 seconds. 3, 2, so close, so close. Oh, good job, Red Alliance, and good job, Blue Alliance. I like the teamwork, whether it worked out or not. This match, it will help you in the long run.